I used to write custom instructions inside of Claude, but now I don't write a single one. I delete all of them and Claude still knows exactly who I am. But how? Here's the thing. Custom instructions live inside of Claude, but that's actually the problem. If I switch to Google Gemini or ChatGPT or any other AI tool, that context is gone. I'd have to write it again from scratch. Think about it. I already built one system prompt that tells Claude who I am, what I'm working on, and how I want things back. But that prompt only living inside of Claude means it's stuck there. It doesn't follow me anywhere else. So every single AI I use ends up with a different version of me or no version at all. So instead of keeping that prompt inside of Claude setting, I moved it to Obsidian. Now it lives as one plain .md file, sitting in a folder completely separate from any single AI. Here's what that actually looks like right now. I open that file in Obsidian, I copy it, and then I paste it in the Claude's project knowledge. You could also just drop the file in. Claude reads it before every message in every chat. But the crazy part is that same file works in Gemini too. Same file, different AI, but the same context. Look, here's why this matters more than people think. Claude's custom instructions only solve about half of the problem. They save you from repeating yourself, but they don't save you from repeating yourself when you switch to a new AI, right? So it turns out the actual fix isn't picking one AI and trusting it to hold your context forever. It's storing that context somewhere so no AI can lose it. This is the foundation of how I use AI now. I don't build my system around Claude. I build it around a file that any AI can read. And Claude just happens to be the AI that's doing most of the work for now. So I'm not rebuilding context every time I switch tools anymore. One AI, one file, every AI, but same me. If you guys want to know who I learned this from, I learned it from Dan Martell. He's been an absolute lifesaver. Because of him, I now know how to use AI to like make my life better. It's really good. So you should go subscribe to him too.